Tuloy-tuloy ang pagtulo ng luha ni Maris Racal nang i-anunsyong natuldo ka na ang 5 taong love story.
I'm so scared because if I announce it, then it's real. Yeah, Rico and I are over.
Tuloy-tuloy ang pagtulo ng luha ni Maris Racal nang i-anunsyong natuldo ka na ang 5 taong love story nila ng OPM star na si Rico Blanco.
It's fresh. It's been a few weeks. Loneliest, emptiest weeks I've ever experienced in my life.
Hindi na idinetalya ni Maris ang dahilan ng kanilang paghihiwalay. Pero ayon sa aktres, kailangan muna niyang harapin mag-isa ang susunod na kabanata ng kanyang buhay.
Sa 5 years namin together, we were always on the same page. Always on the same page. But I don't know what happened to me. Maybe I turned to the next page and saw a new perspective sa life. I had visions of who I want to become, how I want to evolve.
Dagdag ni Maris, hindi naging madali, pero naging maayos ang kanilang hiwalayan.
I told Rico about it. I told him my problems, my issues sa buhay. And he took it like a man. It was so difficult. But it was a very polite separation. Up to the very end of our relationship, it was still full of love, full of understanding. And Rico is one of a kind. If only I could skip through it.
2021 nang kumpirmahin ng aktres ang relasyon nila ni Rico.
Masaya naman po. Kami po ni Rico, I think basic po sa post na ginawa ko po, I think it's very obvious.
Unang nagsama ang dalawa nang i-produce ni Rico ang kanta ni Maris na Abot Langit na lumabas noong 2019. Si Rico rin ang nag-produce ng kanta ni Maris na Not For Me at Kahit Na Anong Sablay.
We're both grieving. Please don't direct your hate towards Rico because he's too precious for that.
Simula ang kanilang love story na puno ng pagmamahal at ganun din ito magtatapos. Kaya nakikiusap siya sa kanilang supporters na respetuhin ang kanilang desisyon habang patuloy ang kanilang pag-move on.